Cline just dropped CLI 2.0, and this is really a big deal for anyone doing AI-powered coding in terminal. It's fully open source and it lets you swap any model you want. Let me show you. They announced it now on 3rd of February, and we can see here they said that they rebuilt the whole thing from scratch. So they said we rebuilt the CLI ground up ourselves, leveraging the same core of Cline within IDE. They already have an agent inside of the IDE, which is pretty awesome. So now they applied all those things to the CLI, and it is really easy to use. All you have to do is just to type in Cline inside of your terminal, of course, when you install it. And now we can see this awesome bot that is following our mouse. I really love these old school CLI retro things. And you can see here that I'm using Kimi 2.5, but you can choose any model you want. You can just type in /models, and here you can see they already have Claude Opus 4.6. They have GPT 5.2, Gemini 3 Pro, Mini Max, which is also free, Kimi 2.5, and you can just browse all the models. They have a bunch of models available, and now I'm currently using Kimi 2.5 because I want to test it out properly. But that Mini Max model is much faster than Kimi, so we are going to test that one out also later in the video. And I really love how they handled plan mode inside of their CLI. So you can see now that we have here plan and act. We are currently in plan mode, and if I press tab, we can see that we are even changing the color of this input so we don't miss in which mode we are. So this is now act, now this is plan, and I can ask now something like, let's change the hero section of my landing page, make it more attractive. Now it is planning everything, analyzing my code, and it is going to give us solution for our hero section to make it more attractive, better, etc. It is going to ask us questions directly inside of the CLI, which is really awesome. So it's like in other AI tools, asking questions and making sure that we are planning everything just right. And what is now the best thing about this one? We can now open a new tab, type in Cline, open it here, put it right next to this one, and we can start doing something else. So we can now here plan something totally else. We can do that in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever number of terminals we want, and have multiple agents working on one or different multiple projects in the same time. And they can do everything, not only planning, they can also execute. They could do this act mode as well, not only the plan mode, and that's what this AI fuss is all about. So we want multiple clones of ourselves to work on multiple tasks, and we want the job to get done. And it is done. You can see now that AI reviewed everything and it offered us 5 different options. Here we have visual first split layout, social proof enhanced, interactive preview, etc., etc. So we can now simply here say, I want option 2, for example. And now it is still going to plan out properly like it should. And we are going to get finally ready to proceed. Here it is. So it's again putting here what changes it's going to make. So add star rating badge, works with platform section, etc., etc. And we are here ready to proceed. So now we are going to act mode. Here we are putting acting, I just press tab, and now it is acting based on our plan. So this is really handled in a good way inside of the CLI. We don't even have to use the mouse. We can use only our keyboard, which is making it more hardcore and better for me at least. And it is really easy to use. There it is done. We can see now all the code changes inside of our hero section, and we can simply just save it or reject, and that's it. Then we can just check it out inside of our browser, etc. And the fact that this project is open source, I have to say this is so impressive, and I have so much respect for open source projects like this. If you've been following my channel, you know how much I respect open source. And this project has almost 58,000 stars, really impressive. And we have here 294 contributors inside of this project, and they're working like mad. We can see that they rebuilt the whole CLI from scratch for their version 2.0, and this project is really impressive, and I definitely going to test it out properly, especially now with Kimi 2.5 being free. You can now just test it out for free. And if you want to use some more serious models or something like that, you can just simply type in here models, put in Claude Opus 4.6, and you can just put in your own API key. It doesn't have to be through Cline, but you can of course do it through Cline as well, and you can just code with any model you want. And don't sleep on Minimax 2.5. Here in the models we can see that that one is also free here on Cline, and it is much faster, much more reliable model. It is beating Kimi 2.5 on all benchmarks, although I said I'm currently testing Kimi 2.5, but this one is definitely a better option, and here on Cline you can just use it for free, which is really amazing. And we can try now asking Minimax 2.5 exactly the same thing like we asked Kimi 2.5. Kimi needed like something like 10 minutes, like more or less, but let's see how fast will Minimax solve this planning right here. It should probably do it like in 2-3 minutes because it is much faster, and as I saw on the benchmarks, it is working in a different way. So for coding it's much more appropriate than Kimi 2.5. I don't know, maybe Kimi like now releases some Kimi 3.0 which is better, but currently this one is much better. We can see, oh my god, this is not like 2-3 minutes, it did it like in 30 seconds, and it's already asking questions, which is really amazing, and Kimi needed much more time than this one. This is crazy. I hope you enjoyed in this video. Check out Cline, you have the link in the description below, and for more content like this, join the mighty Horde, subscribe.